So here's my project. This button is to reset. This button is for a hint. So basically, it will show you your current position on this graph. Also the time that you've been playing and the distance from the mine that you're at. It also has a hint counter. So if I reset the game, it replots to your current position. There is a little drift in the GPS data, as you can see above. But if I use a hint here, it'll graph a circle with a radius of 48 meters. So along that circumference of that circle, the mine should be there somewhere. Also, it has this so somebody else can watch your game and your current status in your game. So it has your X position, your Y position. The position of the mine is the target position here. So the mine is at -47, -10. Has your total distance to that target, the total time you've been playing. Here's the just counting the amount of times that this website is pinging the Pico for updates. But yeah, that's basically it in a nutshell. And then I will go out. I got an assistant to help me demonstrate it out in the field. Also, the GPS is hooked up on the back here. Here's a quick look at the code that it's running on itself right now. So this is the main loop. It's basically everything pretty much gets done in your position. That does most of the heavy lifting for the program side. But then it also sends all the information to the server web page. So basically all that does is it will create a JSON file which gets sent over to the website. So here's the HTML code for the website, and here's the JavaScript for the JSON file. And basically all it does is it takes all your values, your position, the target position, your distance away, the time, and the counter, and it will edit these values on the website repetitively every time. All right, we're at the field with my assistant Peyton. Hopefully it's not too windy and you can hear me. He's going to be running the iPad and I'll be running the actual GPS tracker. So here he can see the game status, so he can see my current X and Y position on the graph, where the actual target is, my total distance to the target, and the total time that I've been playing, and then the counter is just the amount of pings that I've sent through the Wi-Fi. So here's what the player sees. He's got his current X and Y position on the graph, the total time he's been playing, and the distance away in meters. You can hit this button for a hint, and it draws a radius, the distance away. And then you can hit this button to restart the game. So if I hit that, the target is along that circumference of that circle. And then if we restart the game, it'll restart it. And we'll demonstrate in a little bit here. Okay, so he's going to start screen recording, so I'll have that hopefully live on the screen. But we'll restart the game. 48 meters away. We'll use one hint. Okay. We will try moving this direction. So here at the bottom I can see I'm getting farther away. So I'll try this direction. Okay, it says that I'm getting closer, only 42 meters away. Here's another hint. Okay, so it's either at one of those points. I'm guessing it's the one down here because we're still getting closer. Okay, now you can start heading this way. Hopefully it's not in the river. Okay. There, we got close enough. It's a good thing my range is within 6 meters because otherwise we would have been in the river. But as you can see, it said, congrats, you won. And then at the bottom here, it says the game will restart in 5 seconds. So we'll do another demonstration here where I know where the actual target is. Alright, so this run I'm going to know exactly where it's at to see if we can get it without a hint. So where's it at?
The target position at X is 53 and target position at Y is -4.
Alright, so X53, I'm pretty sure positive X is this way. Yeah. So here you can see we're getting closer. X53 and what was the Y?
-1.
-1. Oh, we'll probably be able to get it just by walking along here. So here now we're just 13 meters away, 6. And here it says you won. At the bottom, game will reset in 5 seconds. Then it resets. So here we're gonna restart again. This time we're starting on the bridge, so hopefully our X isn't 0, so we're not in the river. This one I won't know again. So try walking this way first. As I can see, my distance is getting larger. So we'll go this way. And you want to get the lowest amount of hints as possible. It's kind of your score in the game. So 20, 22, 20 away. 19. Okay, we'll do another one of these. See if this gets me closer or farther. Okay, so I'm guessing it's that intersection down there. Oh, up here. 13 away, 12 away, 11 away, 10 away. X direction, we need to go this way. Should be winning here soon. Congrats, you won. Now I'm gonna go reduce the radius and see if we can get it with a tighter radius. So here in the code, we're just gonna go and change the win radius from 7, drop it down to 3, and see if that works. And then we're gonna program it up and try it again. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start another one. I won't know where it's at. We'll try walking this way. 95, so we'll turn around, try over this direction again. $77. Okay, so I know this direction is the X direction, but try this way. So I'm getting closer this way too. So it's somewhere in this quadrant. Use another hint. Okay. So should be over in this corner over here. And this one is dropped down to 3 meters, so we'll have to get right up on it. So we're getting farther away. Going this direction. Let's go this way. So now we're getting pretty close. Okay, we're getting farther away again. Try moving this way. And congrats, you won. This is the mine placement right here.